Meisellya from Grade Ceramic School. Today, I will tell you how to make flowers from used plastic cups. We need several used color plastic cups, scissors, plaster, skewer, clear plastic bag, flower vase, and glue gun. How to make it is very easy. First, prepare several used color plastic cups. Cut the top, bottom, and edges of the cup. Fold horizontally and trim the edges and cut into 2 parts. Fold in the middle and cut at the fold with joint cricket. Cut the plaster into 5 centimeters. Attach the plaster to the piece of plastic cup and move it around to the skewer. Add glue gun to stick it together. Take 2 used plastic bottles with different colors from the first plastic bottles. Cut the top, bottom, and edges. Fold in half, trim the edges, and cut the fold with joint cricket. Take plaster, attach to the plastic cups, attach to the skewer, and move it around. Do the same for the second piece of plastic. Put glue in the middle so that the skewers don't shift. Cut the clear plastic bag in 3 cm wide. Attach the plastic bag in the flower and drop the down in the skewer. Prepare a vase and put the flowers into the vase. Finally, Finally, a vase with beautiful and aesthetic flowers is ready to decorate your home. It's very easy, right? I hope you like it. See you. Bye bye.